To connect the 3.5mm jack to the Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL, unfortunately, there is no actual headphone jack on the device. You can see there's just no headphone jack. So we need to use the USB-C port. We need to have an adapter. Mine's a big hub, but you can get something small. There's a USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. This is so big because it has other ports as well, but you just need, the headphone part. And so you connect the adapter to the phone via the USB-C port, and then you connect the headphones to the adapter like this. Once connected, it will detect the headphones. Now when the headphones are connected, it won't actually show a headphone icon. However, sometimes, look at the audio here, and if I unplug the headphones, you notice the audio level's the same. That's because the Google Pixel is even more complicated. So if we look at the headphones itself, these are 3-ring headphones, and 3-ring headphones are not supported on Google Pixel phones. Only headphones which have 2 rings here are supported. So you can see that one right there. So if I plug these in, you will notice the audio level should be lower. I'm just going to unplug, plug in. You saw it jump the audio level. It's because those headphones are supported. And what you need to do is you need to buy a second adapter. It's called the TRS adapter. And so if you have a 3-ring headphone, you'd buy the adapter, you'd connect the 3-ring here, you'd connect this part into the adapter, and then you connect the adapter to the phone. So very complicated. Google wants you to buy the headphones, the wireless ones, because they cost $200, as you can probably tell. But you can get it done. Bye-bye.